revolver, but they said they only need one.
You're gonna love this. All about that love talking goddess Aphrodite. Coming for it all, baby. Yeah, we real mighty. Even from the start, we gave a
They weren't wrong in that opening. I'm already loving this running tumbling I'm seeing from the team.
Bang is the sound. You've been struck by love, so you know it's going down. Let revolvers be your muse. We're here to inspire. Your love and admiration is what we require.
It's like you fell from the start.
Show and goes with a quarter turn. Now a quarter up, showcasing flexibility. Keep it up, ladies.
I can't run away, 'cause you're holding my heart. You're holding my heart.
Gun Revolvers, the mighty Aphrodite. One heart, two heart revolvers. It's time to show out.
Nice high, clean cradles there, showing good technique.
And when we strike down, you will be mesmerized. My talent, my style, just look pricey. You're way out of your price range.
You'll see all the elite teams do at least 3 jumps throughout the routine. Try to max out that score on the score sheet. Love the floor, stunning, the old co-ed style.
Nice showcase of the quarter up.
All of that commotion from the crowd, we control it. This is what it looks like when you really honed in. Everything we do it with love. National champs, they can be only one. TOBGUN, Top Gun.
Nice release move from that flat back.
Cute little heart in the background for that choreo.
Did we make you fall in love yet? Ha! Just wait. Spin it round and round, just like a revolver.
Love the energy, love the choreography.
Whip that hair, then hit the ground.
The revolvers.
Now we came to serve this mythical love. Oh yes, squad. Aphrodite, let's work it out. Revolvers.
Well done, well done, well done indeed.